Yo guys, I got some very important news to put out to you guys, and it might be time to buy these joints now before it's too late. We got some breaking news about them, and I said, yo, it's time for me to pull that trigger as well. So stick around, stay tuned. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. We coming back to you guys like 3-4 videos back to back. Hey, that ain't even like it, boy. But we here and we got some information, so we definitely gonna come up on here and let you guys know what's up, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss on any content, and make sure you guys run them likes up. You guys have been on crazy the last couple days in the comments and with the like button. I truly do appreciate it, man. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. It means so much, bro. But of course, go check me out on Instagram. I posted a little fit pic the other day. I don't really take pictures. I do more reels and stuff on Instagram, but sometimes you guys see me pop out, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys tap into my Instagram, which is linked down below. All right, guys, so when I told you guys a couple of days ago, or maybe a week ago, we talked about the Air Jordan 1 Union to LA backs. And I told y'all, don't pay resale now, just wait a little bit. Now all that information has pretty much went into the dumpster because you guys seen where it was reported that Nike sneakers themselves told everybody that there will be a second chance on them. And then next thing you know, we see a tweet and they said, we shot the gun too soon. We shouldn't have put that information out. Nike sneakers themselves. I'm gonna put the screenshots up here. Hopefully I can find them. But I know a lot of you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. And then next thing you know, I get information and they said that there were only 55,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 1 I'm back Union LAs that dropped. Only 55K. That's not a lot of pairs. You guys see the resales kind of going up and down. But I'm pretty sure once people get wind of the information of there only being 55,000 pairs, that price is going to start rising. That's why I'm here for the Vintage Squad, to let you guys know if you want that pair, you gotta probably snag them things in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, because it's gonna be the perfect time to get them. They're not gonna go down any lower in the resale value. Everything is just gonna keep going up because of the limited stock. We've heard it from multiple times. I know I sound like a broken record, but Nike, Jordan themselves said they're cutting back on stock for said reasons. I don't know what they were, but a lot of these releases we've seen, we feel the effect of the less stock being produced, and only 55,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 1 Union LA backs is very limited. It's limited, bro. So I'm here to tell you guys right now, man, it might be better to get them things sooner than later. And I'm almost kind of like, you know, backing myself a little bit because I told you guys last week, don't buy now, because I had information literally from the Nike sneakers themselves. Nike said there's going to be a second drop. And then a couple days after that, they said, you know, we shot a gun too soon, more details to follow. And then we hear this, 55,000 pairs is not looking too good. So I'm not totally throwing away the second shot on sneakers. I just know Nike sneakers themselves said we put out information too soon, more details to follow, which kind of gives you some mixed, you know, vibes. You don't know exactly what they're trying to say, but with there only being 55,000 pairs and that big drop that we did see on Union LA website, it possibly might be, you know, to where we don't see nothing on sneakers, but there is still a small chance that we get like a couple of thousand pairs on the sneakers app, or even Union LA themselves kind of, you know, cancel all those bot orders that we seen happen last week. Hopefully that does happen. We seen Mayer do the same thing, where it was a lot of bot orders and they did a restock a couple of weeks after that initial drop. So it's a lot going on, man, but I did want to kind of put that out there. It might be better to buy them sooner than later. Literally, I was talking to the homie director WizKid. I'm like, hey, I just got this information. It's all over social media, so might be the best time to get this sneaker. And if you got them joints and you watching this video, don't hike up the resale, man. Keep it where it's at, because it's probably somebody that's gonna buy them joints right now. But at the end of the day, it's your shoe. You're gonna do what you wanna do with it. And but if it's 55,000 pairs and you got the chance, you know what I'm saying, kind of hike that price up, I would do it too. I'm not gonna lie, because of the value, because of the limitedness. And it's definitely one of them ones, like definitely top 2 out of the 3 OG colorways that we did see with Union LA. It can't be 3, bro. It's not the worst one. It's either 1 or 2. You guys can let me know which one you like the most, Black Toe Storm Blues or the Chicagos. All 3 of them joints is a banger. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have all three in the collection soon. I'll be rocking them joints, throwing straight on feet. You guys know how I do. And yeah, we're gonna go from there, man. But again, just to pretty much wrap it up, I think it's the best time to snag them. The price is steadily increasing. Might be a $800, $900, or even $1,000 sneaker like we seen with the Storm Blues and the Black Toes. Like, them joints was like, Resell skyrocketed. But yeah, man, I'm just here to give you guys live updates on sneaker releases. That's what I am here for, to help you guys. And if I come over here saying buy this now, or you know what I'm saying, it might be better to buy them, buy them sooner than later, it's all for good intentions. I'm not trying to hype anything up. I'm trying to help you guys out, because that's a pair I have not paid resale on yet as of now. I think I'm going to pull the trigger before I shoot this video. But again, you take it with a grain of salt if you want to. At the end of the day, I'm just giving you guys my opinion, my take, and kind of giving my outlook on the shoe based off certain sneakers that we have seen in the past, because we got 2 sneakers already, 2 notable UNLA Jordan 1s that just took off, bro. I don't even think neither one of those dropped below $700, and we right around that price range with these backs. And hey, man, like I said, take it with a grain of salt if you want to. And then next thing, bro, we got some banger releases. We got the Air Jordan 4, what's it called, SB Navy Blues, and we also have the Cool Grade 9s coming out this month. And I think we got some more brick by brick Air Jordan 4s. The homie Jay Sneak guy broke them things out, went to the game. It was just crazy in hand. Like, in person, in hand, definitely coming to the collection. I'm telling you guys, the quality and all that stuff is crazy. That's one shoe I would wait on a little bit. I wouldn't be crazy on paying resale right now or buying them early. I think there's going to be more pairs out there, of course, because right now they're going for like $800, $900. I'm like, that's crazy. I think they're even going for more than that. But I think it's going to be a shoe that Nike's not going to make, only 20, 30,000 pairs. It might be around that 50 to 60 range, or even a little bit more, because I think the last pair that he dropped, the driveway to green joints, that was a very accessible sneaker, only going for around like $350, $400 in most sizes. So again, man, you guys let me know what you're gonna be copping this month. It's a lot of bangers, and again, bro, the content definitely gonna be coming, and you guys about to see an unboxing very, very soon. I know a lot of you guys probably know exactly what they are, but give you guys this raw reaction and give you guys some sneaker content on a daily basis if possible. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any more updates in terms of sneakers, shop drop, free stocks. Well, we ain't seen a shop drop all year, so we're gonna see what happens with that. But run them likes up, man. Go crazy in the comment section. All that's been said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.